Down at ice level are the teams, and Ray Ferraro is there as well. We'll get his take on things shortly. The teams have taken to the ice, and it's setting up to be a terrific matchup. For thoughts on the game, here's Eddie.
Two teams that have two well-crafted game plans, but once the puck drops, anything can happen, Doc, as we've seen in the past. I believe the key to this game is who stays to their game plan will win this game.
We have a thrilling evening of hockey ahead. We have begun our contest. And that one shot down the ice, and it will be an icing. Play is halted right now, so it's a chance to hear from Ray Ferraro.
Clean exits from your defensive zone are going to be the key. The team that can move the puck out of their zone into the neutral zone quickest is likely going to win.
Many thanks, Ray. Lin Choping's continuing along the Herculite. Wrist shot. Terrific opportunity, but it's off the mark.
He couldn't be standing in a better spot to shoot the puck, and he misses the net from there.
Carrying it in center ice. Urebro's in control of the puck up the wing. Shoots one. Robbery there. Shooting place. A whistle and a rest. A little under 4 minutes have elapsed here in the first. We are deadlocked at 0. Quick work on the faceoff. With a shot. They can't find the target. Urebro's in their own end setting things up.
Is very low event. Not very much happening. No shots, no chances.
Good hand to eye. And the reach of the stick. Around through the corner right now. Lin Choping skating in their own end, trying to get to the neutral zone. Shoots one. He's got it there. He wants to clear it out. He lost it down to a knee. Urebro's on the move, hoping to wheel it up the wing. Flings it, sticked away. From the right side to the middle, right on his tape. Oh, look at this. He's alone. Can they catch him? Urebro's carrying it in their own end. Onside. Takes that pass up the boards and stays. Propelled to Wandell. Decides he wants the corner. Blocked away. Fight. Hammered. No!
Oh, his shot had the goaltender beat, Doc. He rifled it just wide of the net.
Has it in his own end. He tried to clear it, didn't work. It went off a teammate. Boy, stick-to-stick artistry there. He's got it. Puck's loose off the enemy this time. That left wing, and he's got it. At the point, big shot! Little pass from his goalie here. Urebro's moving the puck up the wing. Shoots. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. Lin Choping's got it along the side. On the outside, a shot. Oh, what a chance, what a save. The pass is off the mark. What a chance that would have been. At the front of the net. Great save, point blank.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Big drive. Terrific save. Play is stopped, and now we'll hear the call. Lin Choping sent to the box for 2 minutes. It's tripping.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. Big face-off win. Turn the wrist shot. Pad save. Ooh, tough one there.
25 seconds.
Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Feeds the point. Shoots one. No! Gotta get it on net.
I know that shot just missed the net, but that thing was moving.
Directing that one to Anderson. The clock bleeds down to the last minute. Lin Choping's organizing back in the defensive zone. Puck still on his stick as he travels along the boards. That puck's loose, deflected away by Bartley.
In the first period.
Udre Bros getting to the neutral zone. He's in on an onside play. Udre Bros power. Great stick save. It's on his stick up that left side. Shoots one and a save. Cut down on that rush. First 20 minutes are finished here. We are scoreless. The goalies were strong.
Hey kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign autographs after the game.
Udre Bros hanging into this game largely on the strength of the man between the pipes. Here is just one of his many saves in that period. We'll be right back. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What impressed you most?
Both goaltenders, Doc, in that first period were excellent. It might be a while before we see our first goal.
There have been no goals since the warm-up. Nothing here in the second. Good job with the poke check. Puck is seized by Larson. Good strong work. Icing is canceled. Udre Bros in control of the puck. Danger. Slides it to the point. Fires. Wonderful chance to score, but no.
Oh, the goalie was screened on that shot. You got to rely on your positioning to make that save.
Puck loose. Couldn't get through. Takes a shot. Waffle boarding. He covers and holds on.
Gustafson's almost overpowered by this slap shot. There is a lot of heat on him. Excellent stop.
A little over 4 minutes have passed. Nothing on the scoreboard has changed. Still a pair of zeros. Good job on the draw. Carries it to the corner. Shoots. Terrific glove save. Lin Choping's got it in their own end. Dropped on back further. And he'll keep possession along the boards. Big drive. He missed the net.
Having a heavy shot like that is great, but you got to hit the net.
Gaining space, maybe time. Wonderful save. It didn't look like he had a thing to shoot at.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
And it's a good pickup. Udre Bros setting things up in their own end. And in flight over the line. They've got it. Perfect centering pass. Terrific point-blank save. Lin Choping's trying to pry it free along the boards. Good save there. Takes that one, an outstanding pass through center ice. Missed the net. Accelerating on out of their own end. Many yards gained to Bergeron. Knocks it away with the stick. Taken over again. Lin Choping's controlling play now at center ice. Turned a shot on net. Wonderful save. Looking for options along the side. Lets it go. He scores! We got a score in the game other than 0-0 now.
No hesitation at all. He fired home that wrist shot.
The defenseman obviously doesn't hear his bench yelling. Eddie, they're right beside me. I can hear them yelling for him to get back to the front of the net.
Look in the tie and gotten back ahead, and we're still in the second period. Should be fun just to get to the end of this one.
Scored by number 6.
Slid to Bergeron. Good use of the stick. Puts one on. Just couldn't find the target.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chances handed away.
Laid on to Bergeron. Carried right up the middle of the ice. Nice.
Don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
They win it. And he steps in. Oh, broke it up. That shot hit a man. Nicely into the zone. From the outside. He got his glove on that one. Right to the point. Shoots. Terrific save with no reaction time whatsoever. And that one went offside.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
And the faceoff's won. Good quick poke check there.
In the second period.
Udre Bros on the move up the wing. A shot. Oh, terrific save on a great chance.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Wrist one. Good shot, but a better save. And this period is over. Wow.
Just a friendly reminder about tonight's silent auction. All items can be viewed and bid upon at the display near the guest services counter.
Udre Bros' one-goal lead came on this play. We want to show it to you one more time as we go to break. Third period about to begin. What did you think of the second?
Linköping had very little time of possession, Doc. They've been outplayed in that category big time, but they're still in this game. One shot, and they're right in it.
We have begun the third period. That one comes back. Goalie's allowed to handle this puck, and he does. Great opportunity, but the pass didn't connect. Score! And this one is tied.
The goaltender looked pretty surprised here, Enzo. Good delivery of the puck, beats him on the low stick side.
Scored by number 13. Assisted by
Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come.
46. Matches Olu. Time of the goal. 57 seconds.
Udre Bros continuing on in the defensive zone. Hanging on to it up the boards. Perfectly on his stick in that pass from the left wing. Drilled. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. Took it up the boards and holds. Udre Bros in their own end and carrying it on. Into the attacking end. Shoots one. Got his stick on it. Linköping's finding its way to center ice. Loose puck did not go well. To the point it comes. Strong play, good reach. Seeks the corner. And he's held up against the boards. Good defensive play. Loose puck, though. That puck is loose. No luck getting through that time. Back in his defensive end to get it. Urebro setting things up. Makes that play deep. Urebro's controlling play along the boards. Fires. Grabbed.
Oh, that puck just hit his glove.
Nice job to get it from that winger to center ice. And the pickup. Urebro's carrying it through center. Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Fires! Oh, what a great chance, but it's off the iron. Good look, snapped out of the air. Passing one off now to Roy. A shot. No!
Just missed.
Lets it go. Wow, what a glove save.
That slight hesitation by the shooter allowed the goaltender to make a beautiful glove save.
An excellent glove, relatively easy and perfect to make any type of save.
Under 7 minutes remaining. A hockey game is a game of lead changes. This one now is even. Good clean win. Shoots. Terrific save. Terrific opportunity.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Urebro's carrying it on through the area between the blue lines. Has it back deep. Muscled long to Bergeron. Up to the point. Fires. Score!
Oh, what a quick release on that snapper.
His technique is good. The butterfly is really solid. He just gets beaten with a better shot here.
Urebro's gotten the lead here, breaking the tie in the third period. What a raucous ride to the finish we're going to have now. And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. Snapping a pass to Carlson. Puck grab, they've got it ready. Outstanding point-blank save.
The goalie makes himself look big.
The goalie's seen a lot of rubber tonight. His team defensively hasn't helped him out very much, but he's turned aside almost everything, and as a result, they have the lead.
Urebro's in possession in their own end. And he drops it in deep.
Bergeron's play there is at a critical point in the game. That's a smart play.
Lin Xiaoping's controlling play now up the wing. Shoots, and he missed it.
They're not going to get a better chance than that, down by one.
Good job with the stick. We're in the 60th minute out of 60, or will there be more? Nice stand-up poke check there. Gains the zone. Gustafson's able to step out and play it. Lin Xiaoping's in control of the puck along the side. Possession reestablished. Oh, what a stop!
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
And they've got it again. Urebro's recoiling in the defensive zone. And he steps across the line. Paddled aside. Good job in canceling out that icing. Taken away.
Urebro's forced another turnover in this very close game.
And there it is. The game is over. It was a victory on the scoreboard that was decisive. And it wasn't just there.
The center iceman ruled the faceoff circle, and when you do that, you're going to have great success on the scoreboard.
So long for now.